In today's video, I'll teach you how to log in NBC Sports account. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in nbcsports.com. Press enter. After you do that, you'll be led to the official website of NBC Sports. In NBC Sports, you'll be able to access the news, scores, statistics of sports. So if you want to log into your account, it's actually very simple. At top right corner of your screen, you'll be able to see the account icon. Click on it. Now over here, you'll be able to find this option for login. Click on it. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the login interface of NBC Sports. In order to log into the NBC Sports, you'll have to log into NBC Universal account. If you have NBC Universal profile, you'll be able to access the NBC Sports. You can see over here, you can create your profile if you want. If you already have the account, click on the option login. Now you'll be able to log into your account. You can either continue with email or you can also continue with Google and Apple if you want. Simply click on the login method that you had used while creating your account. Here I'm just going to continue with email. For that, click on the field of email and enter the email address over here. Now click on this option, continue with email. Now you can see over here you'll be able to log in with the code or you can also log in with password. If you want to log in with code, what you have to do is simply open your email. One-time code will be sent to your email. Enter that code over here. If you want to log in with password, click on this option, log in with password. Now you'll be prompted to enter the password over here. Click on the field of password and enter the password. Now click on this option, login, that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here you'll be logged into your NBC Sports account. So that is how you log in NBC Sports account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.